Are you trying to decide between Peloton and NordicTrack? You're not alone. Both brands offer great options for home fitness, but they have some key differences. Peloton is known for its high energy cycling classes. It features a sleek bike with a large screen. You can join live classes or watch on demand sessions. The community aspect is strong with leaderboards and social features. It's all about motivation and connection. On the other hand, Nordic Track offers a wider range of equipment. While they have bikes too, they also provide treadmills and ellipticals. Their machines often come with interactive training. You can simulate real world terrains, which adds variety to your workouts. Now, let's look at what sets them apart. Peloton focuses mainly on cycling and has a strong community vibe. Nordic Track gives you more options for different types of workouts. If you want variety, Nordic Track might be better for you. When it comes to features, Peloton has a user friendly app and a huge library of classes. Nordic Track offers iFit, which provides personalized workouts and coaching. Both have great screens, but Peloton's is a bit larger. Pricing can vary. Peloton usually has a higher upfront cost, especially for their subscription. Nordic Track often offers more budget friendly options, especially if you are looking for different types of machines. In conclusion, if you love cycling and want a community, go for Peloton. But if you want variety and a range of equipment, Nordic Track is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.